Hello students, Mr. Jen here with Chapter 18, our introduction. Chapter 18 is called the Reconstruction Era. Why is it called the Reconstruction Era? Well, we're reconstructing the South. Remember, it had mostly been destroyed in the Civil War, which we just ended with 17. We had the Union defeated the Confederacy, and Ulysses S. Grant and Robert E. Lee met at Appomattox Courthouse, and the war is over. And here's Ulysses S. Grant. Now we're going to learn more about him this chapter because he's going to go and he's going to be president of the United States in the Reconstruction era. There he's kind of looking that way. There we go. Looking regal. So what's going to happen in the beginning of this chapter? Well, I think everybody pretty much knows that Abraham Lincoln gets assassinated. And we also remember he was a little less harsh on the South. It wasn't all about punishing, more about healing and reuniting. He ended up having different plans for how to let these states that had seceded back into the Union. Some people want to be more harsh, some people want to be less harsh. And then what are we going to do about all these freed slaves? What kind of rights are they going to have? Are they going to be able to vote? In the Reconstruction era, there's a struggle between the powers of the South that are regaining their political power and what you have in the North called the Radical Republicans, who are sort of the let's punish the Confederacy as much as possible. They're sort of off in that wing. And there's a struggle between the president and Southern political leaders and these Radical Republicans. It's a pretty messy cleanup. It's like there was a big family fight, and like Aunt Tammy and Uncle Alan still aren't talking to each other. Sort of something like that. And there's 4 lessons, so we'll be learning all about it for the next week or so. And then after that, we're sort of heading west. But for now, we have Reconstruction. We've got Ulysses S. Grant. And, hey, the birth of the Ku Klux Klan. Never a good sign. We're going to learn a little bit about them and their quest to prevent the freemen from voting. All right. Go ahead and move on to your vocab. It's on the very next page, and then you have your vocab quiz. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, have a good one.